How should we as Christians react to what just happened with Venezuela? Well, the Bible tells us in the book of Matthew that blessed are the peacemakers. Jesus never said blessed are the peacekeepers, but blessed are the peacemakers, those that make peace. When we understand this difference, we understand that sometimes in order to bring peace in a region is going to take active work. It's going to take us doing something to bring about peace in the region and not just sit back and wait for peace to come. The Bible also tells us in the book of Romans 13 verse 4, that it is the government's job to be there for the good of its people and for the government to wield a sword against what's wrong. And so what we see the government of Venezuela did is they did not do what was good for the people, but they did what was bad for the people. They didn't wield a sword for what was good, but rather for what was evil. What Christians should be praying for is to have a government that makes good decisions and that is a beacon of light, truth, and peace in the world. They will not just say we will keep peace, but we will go out and make peace, especially if it affects their own citizens. The drugs that were smuggled through Venezuela through to the US affected American citizens. And so what Trump did, I firmly believe that Americans and even South Africans can celebrate knowing that Trump didn't keep the peace, but he went out and he made peace in those areas. He brought peace for the Venezuelans who are there celebrating because their country is no longer dominated by someone who seeks to do harm, seeks to do evil, but hopefully, God willing, and we should all pray for this, that they will have a leader that is there for their good. And also the American people will now no longer have to deal with the consequences of a leader like him.